Yes friends, again and again, as you can see, this strategy works. Hello, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages, I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video until the end, there I will show you a situation when you should not use this strategy. This will help save you from losing all your money. Friends, now I will show you a win-win strategy for trading on binary options. The strategy is very simple and yet very effective. It's great for beginners. So for starters, we go to the broker. I use Pocket Options. The original link will be in the description under the video. Next, we need to choose the type of graphics. We use candles, not lines and not bars. Time frame 1 minute. The transaction time is also 1 minute. Choose the size of the bet. I will set bet size on $90. After that, we go to the indicators and select Vortex. We press and we have this indicator below. Go to that indicator settings and set the period 14 and click Save. I advise you to observe money management. Friends, do not bet the entire amount that you have at once. So how will we know when it's time to make a deal? You now see two lines at the bottom of the screen, green and red. At the very moment when they intersect in such a way that the green line crosses the red line from the bottom up, we need to bet on an increase. Once again, a bull trade signal is when the green line crosses the red line from bottom to top. So friends, look, there is the first successful situation that fits our strategy. So it's time to open a rise bet. So let's look. Come on, great! Everything is going as it should. Yes, friends, our trading order is closed. We earned $64 net. Let's do it again. Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Friends, I find another situation that fully suits our criteria. The green line crosses the red line from the bottom up. A very good time to enter a trade. And I boldly open a deal to increase. Let's see what comes of it. It looks good yet, but the next bar opens down, we lose. Nothing, but it's okay to lose. There is no strategy that can guarantee you a 100% win rate. Let's find another situation and increase our bet size to $210. It's got some time to find another situation that suits our criteria. This time we make a bet down when the green line of the indicator crosses red. Let's enter the trade, and the bar immediately goes up. It's okay, let's see how the situation will develop further. As you can see, even with not a good entry point, we closed our trade with the profit and got $193 net. Let's change bet size back to $90 and find another situation to enter trade. I found the situation on the Euro-Lira pair and immediately entered the trade. Next bar opens down, but after 15 seconds the bar shoots up. Again we got a confident victory and net profit of $82 on our balance. That's great. Yes friends, again and again, as you can see, this strategy works. So friends, and now the most important thing. When we should not open a trade on this strategy, even if the conditions for crossing the lines are met. Look, now I'm showing you a moment of serious volatility in the market. You see, something incomprehensible is happening, red and green lines constantly intersect. In this situation, it is not worth making deals. I recommend that you skip such situations. This will really save you money. For today I have everything. Friends, thank you all for watching. I really hope that I have been helpful to you. I left all the necessary links in the description on this video. Subscribe to my channel, put likes. See you in my next video. Bye bye!